Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, KayAmoah. I hope you guys are all doing well and good. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I did this pin curl technique on my hair to get these lovely curls. It is the first time I tried out the technique, but I'll definitely be doing it again and again just to get the technique down and perfected. Now I will be using products that I got in the treasure chest box. If you guys haven't seen the unboxing to see all the products, I'll leave the link in the description box below so you guys can check it out and see everything I got in it. I decided to use just products that I've not used before. So to start off with, I pre-pooed with the Phyto specific oil. It did say on the bottle that you can use it as a pre-poo, so I decided to go ahead and do that. I don't usually tend to pre-poo my hair, but I thought I'd give it a go on this occasion. It left my hair feeling really soft and prepared it nicely to shampoo. To shampoo, I used the Phyto specific deep repairing shampoo, and again I enjoyed that product as well. After shampooing, I followed up with the Shea Moisture Fruit Fusion coconut water weightless hair mask, and I have mentioned before that I tried it the first time and I just loved how it left my hair feeling, and I got the same results this time as well. I left it in my hair overnight. Now for the leave-in, I used the Phyto specific Nourishing styling butter, and I also used the Design Essentials semi curl enhancing mousse just to set the curls in my hair. I did show you guys up close how I put the pin curls in. So I wrapped the hair around my finger and then twisted it up towards the base of my scalp. And I did show you that you can use either the metal clips that I used for most of my pin curls, but you can also use bobby pins if you don't have those. They work just as well. I left them to sit overnight just because I don't have a hooded dryer or anything. So I did leave it for the rest of the day and overnight, and then you guys can see the results from when I took them down. I will leave it here. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and make sure you turn on your notification bells as well so you don't miss any of my uploads. I definitely have been uploading a lot more frequently, so make sure you guys don't miss out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and stay blessed.